Christmas is coming, that wonderful season when everyone is giving, oft with no reason, shiny red ribbons, the air's full of cheer, but sometimes your loved ones just aren't that near. So a present of love, wrapped up with a bow, you prepare to send off to those people you know. Your sister overseas, the grandkids far away, and a box full of goodies so the children can play. But how do you ship it when time's of the essence? They must not be late, those nice Christmas presents. Think click and send parcel for your packages to send. More powerful than reindeer, they're Santa's best friend. Your gifts will be cared for, so when they arrive, the love that you gift wrapped will instantly come alive. It's not just the gift, but the love that you send, that everyone remembers after the holidays end. When it's too far away and you can't make the trip, count on clickandSendParcel.com, your package to ship.